Meaning of excusable.
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 Excusable. Excusable means that something can be forgiven or understood as not being entirely wrong, despite still being technically incorrect. It suggests that there may be extenuating circumstances which provide an explanation or justification for the error or mistake in question. The term is often used to describe behavior that would normally be considered unacceptable, but which, given the circumstances, is deemed more tolerable. For example, a child's bad behavior might be considered excusable if they were feeling unwell, or if they had experienced a traumatic event.